So good morning to all. So in this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the topic safety precaution when dealing with electricity. So we are dealing with electricity, the range of voltage 230 volt for single phase supply and 440 volt for three phase supply. So these are the very high voltages. It has highly dangerous if you are not taking care properly. So electrical safety precaution. First thing, so when we are going to work with electricity, so what are the safety precautions we have to taking care. First thing, so never touch or handle any electrical appliances with wet hand. So because the water has a good conductivity, so if you are dealing with the wet hand, so definitely the leakage current is very easily passing through our body and it will create a more problem. So compared to the earth resistance, if suppose our body resistance is very low, definitely the current is passing through our body only and reaches the ground. Okay, so that time if you are having a very good earthing, it is also not supported to us. Okay, and also never try to pull away from the person who has conducted a live wire. Suppose the person is has conducted a live wire, so do not pull away immediately with your hand. So using some insulated material and pull the person away from the point. Okay, otherwise immediately you are going to switch off the main supply. So electricity is very convenient and useful form of energy. However, if the proper precautions are not taken care, so electricity can be very hazardous magnets and a magnetic effect of current. So wiring, so the precaution from the wiring, all wires are used in the electrical circuit should be covered with a good insulator. So good insulator means, so the entire wire is completely covered by using any rubber material or any plastic material. So there is no open part in between any of the point. If suppose any portion of the wire is mechanically injured, you are going to make a proper joint or you are going to make a replacement of complete wire. So this should be taken care. Then electrical connection, so normally we are having electrical connection, so that connection should be properly insulated by insulation tape. Then repairs and replacement. So if you are identifying any defective switches, any defective sockets or any defective items you are monitored in the circuit, so definitely you are going to replace immediately without taking another time. So because this laziness also will create the more problem. And also we are using some electrical tools for doing the work. Example, tester, screwdriver, pinners and other repairing tools. So that tools having some metal portion and some insulation portion. So that insulation portion should be have the proper insulation. If suppose any portion is damaged, you have to replace it, or you have to do some insulation portion in the upper part of that place. So because we are directly we are checking the electrical circuit using tester. Tester is not having the good insulation portion, definitely the metal contact reaches our hand, so that will have create the more problem to us. Then fuses, so each circuit should have the fuse with the proper rating. This will be very important. So the selection of fuse will be very thing. If you are dealing with the 15 amperes load, the corresponding fuse is about 125% is normally accepted. So almost 20 amperes. If you are not selecting the proper rating of fuse, the fuse does not blown when the overloading or short circuiting occurs. Definitely it will be create a problem to the equipment as well as the person who is working in the atmosphere. Okay. Then earthing, so all electrical appliances should be earthed properly. any leakage current is passing into the system or anywhere in the circuit, so definitely the earthing is very properly, so that leakage current is goes into the earthing part, so it does not disturb any thing to the system or the human. Then dealing with the accident, so in case of any electrical accident, any short circuits or any accidental contact of a person with a live wire, or immediately switch off the main switch, and also using some insulation material to pull the person away from the circuit. So thank you for your listening.